I've got such a nice dream that I have 10 to 12,000 subscribers and I'm heading out, which I'm already doing now, but I don't have the 10 or 12,000 subscribers. Whatever it is, dreams are meant to be true. Good morning, everyone. We're heading out to Shimoga, and I don't know why my voice has become a bit bassy because of the cold, I believe. So I've heard this place Sagara is famous for its sandalwood produce. Let it be. So me and my friend Achu, we are heading towards that place. Also, one of my friend who happens to be a localite of Sagara, he'll be joining us from there. I'll just get ready in a jiffy and see you guys on the way then. Almost ready now. It's gonna be a 2 or 3 day trip. Hence, I've packed 3 bags here. One is the tank bag, the other one is the tail bag, and this one is mostly my camera accessories. This will be my shoulder bag. So just in case I've taken some extra luggage, if the trip happens to extend by another day or two, that's about it. The time is around 6:20 now. So hopefully we should be meeting up in around 20 odd minutes. See you guys then. Right now we've stopped near the Tumkur toll and my cold is again started. So just taking a 5 minute break. What a place to have our breakfast. We've just stopped somewhere in between Shimoga. I believe it's Shimoga is another 150 or 180 odd kilometers from here. We hadn't had our breakfast. We just stopped over having our good old peanut butter and banana. Wow, such a nice weather to ride on. It might be around 24 or 25. There are dark clouds looming out there, but if it doesn't rain, it doesn't get any better than this. We've reached our room, guys. The time is now around 3:30 or 4. We reached here around 2:30 itself, but we were having our lunch, and I would really suggest anyone who's coming to Sagra to come and have lunch here. The hotel name is Sri Paukarnika or something. I'll leave it down in the description. The main reason we took this room is because of the view. If you're wondering what view am I talking about, is the view of our bikes, so we can always watch our bikes and not worry about anyone sitting on it. And my friend, as usual, he's done his bed. I'm also supposed to do mine. In fact, I've also got a bedsheet. Good evening, people. We're just heading out of the room now, just to do some sightseeing. It's not sightseeing, just walk around through the town. So we're going on a Harley. Most probably we'll catch up with a friend also. The weather has become considerably cool, and if you see there, it seems like it will rain big time. There are dark clouds hovering around. So before it starts raining, we'll get back to the room. But however, this small town seems pretty okay. I mean, I don't see much shops to roam around or any specialty as such, but seems to be a very laid back town. That's what I feel. You want to listen how the Harley sounds? Good morning, everyone. The time is around 7 o'clock. We just woke up and going to have a coffee now. Our boy is doing some cash calculations. The plan for the day is we'll be heading towards Joke Falls. My friend whom we happened to meet yesterday, so he's taking us to a nice spot at the.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಈಗ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ರೈನ್ ಕೋಟು ಮಳೆ. So it started raining a bit, hence we thought we'll just wear our raincoat. Acho bari top nin pant bantu ansutta. What my friend has said is he'll take us to the other side of the fall. It's usually called the Mungaru Male spot, so he'll take us to that place. This is where we came from. If we go here, we'll enter Joke Falls, but we'll have to need some ticket or something, hence my friends have gone there to get it. And yeah, if you want to go to Mangalore or Honavar or Karwar, this is the route. And more than anything, it's the weather which is making it seem so nice. It's like I said, it's still drizzling, not very heavy, but kind of making the place look even more beautiful. Yeah, the fan.
ಅದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ಇದು ಈಗಿಲ್ಲ ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
This is the actual traveler's bungalow or the British bungalow. This is the old one, and what you see here, this is the new one. So ideally, if you want to come here, you have to get some permission from the government, and then you can come down. As soon as you cross this guest house, this is the view you get. So ideally, all the tourists who come down, they usually go there. If you guys can see, that is the viewpoint. So we've come to the opposite part, so I'll just go down and try to get another view of it. Guys, we usually shouldn't be doing this. The gate is locked, but we kind of skip the railing. Hey, helmet itkono. But we're kind of skipping the railing and going. None of you guys try this, but hopefully they don't catch us. So once you skip the railing, this is the route you get. Seems they have closed the railing from, seems they have closed that gate from a lot many years, but this is an unauthorized entry, I'm very sure. We'll have to crouch and go. Looking at this plant, it's definitely been some while that they've closed this. Close agide na?
Sorry, view point ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ದಾರಿ.
ಹಾ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬನ್ನಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇದೆ ನೋಡು, ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡು.
ಓ, ಇದೇನಾ ದಾರಿ ಅದು?
ಅದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಏನೋ ಕಂಡಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೋದ್ ಬರೀ ವ್ಯೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೋ, ಇದು ವ್ಯೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು. Okay, once we come back from there, we get an awesome view of the falls. ಏನೋ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದು. Oh, okay guys, if you can see here, here's the steps. It seems there are some 3,000 odd steps you'll have to get down, and you can reach this spot. Such an awesome view. Worth jumping over the railings, getting scrapped by plants and stuff, but this is just awesome. And cancelled. We actually saw a route wherein we could go. Meantime, the security guard spotted us and he's asking us to come back. Hopefully he doesn't put any fine or something as such. ಅವನ ಕೋತಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇನು ಕೋತಿ ಮಂಜ ಕೋತಿರಾ ಅವ್ನು ಹಿಂಗೂ ಎಳಿತಾನೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ. We stopped over at this place. This is a bridge which connects, I believe, two villages. You guys might not know the magnitude of this, but this is really big, really big. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋರಲ್ಲೇನೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಪವರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ. ಸೂಪರು.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಈ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ಟೋರಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ಲೇ.
ಅದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಲಾರೆನ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಿಡುತ್ತದು.
ಹೌದಾ?
ರಬ್ಬರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
We're heading towards Sigandura, which is around 83 kilometers from here. It seems that is also a very scenic place, and there's a ferry which carry your vehicle, cars, bikes and stuff. It is a backwater, so we're heading there. The roads are also very nice. It's a complete ghat section. There was a snake passing by. None of us could avoid it. And ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ. ಹೇ ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡು. ಹೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದಿರುತ್ತೆ ದರ್ಶನ್, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. ನಾನು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಬಾಲ ಎಡ್ಜಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಇವನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಚ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಬೈಕ್ ಅವ್ನು. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಯ್ಯ. Look at this place, guys. The water is so clear, so green. Wish we could have gotten down there. But very nice. We've just entered the Sharawat wildlife range. So most probably what I feel is this should be a forest section. And hopefully we find a leopard, tiger. So right now we've stopped at this place. We're just having some coffee, and our guys are having some food, because it will take a pretty long time by the time we reach Sikandur and get into the ferry and stuff. We're heading to a waterfall, which one of the store owner where we had food suggested. In fact, our friends who are localites also didn't know about this. So it's called the Bhimeshwari waterfall. So you get this when you're going to Singandur, some around 50 kilometers before Singandur. You get a deviation from the main road. You'll have to get inside that, and this is how it will be, a kind of an off-road thing. So he said that it is very nice, so hopefully it should be. ಏನಾಯ್ತಾ? ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ? ಗಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ? ಏಯ್ ಮಗನೇ, ಹಾ ಹಾ ಹಾ.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ,
ಹೌದಾ?
ಆಯಿಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Okay, here's the thing. My friend's bike broke down. I mean, his brake kind of got cut, I believe, and hence we are walking towards the fall. It's been some 25. It's been some 25 minutes since we are walking, but we don't see the falls anywhere in sight. This is the sight you get once you reach this place. Looks pretty scenic. Comes from there and goes here like this. Climb, but we'll have to climb a very long set of stairs. Not sure if it's worth doing all this, and we almost trekked for 1.5 kilometers now. Hopefully it should be nice. At last we've reached the Bhimeshwara or Bhimeshwari Falls. This is how it looks. There's a temple out here, and I don't know why I didn't feel it is worth trekking all the way from there. But again depends. These people are telling it's very nice. Again, depends on each other's perspective. But Achu is kind of cringing that I'm saying it's not nice. I didn't feel it's nice. Ba. Hangge ba, right chalak ba. Hangge ba, kabay ra. Hira bada, woga. Hey! So like you guys see, this is the route to go to Bhimeshwari Falls, and we just climbed this off-road patch, and like you see, there are many bikers who come here. Wow, just see the green carpet out here. The complete hill is like covered in green. Awesome. To be fair, I have never seen a place like this. The place which comes close to this is Kudremukh is what I feel, but this lush covering of grass I have never come across. Wow. Guys, as you see, this is a very big reservoir here. So this is the ferry or the launch, what they call this. We'll have to load our bikes into this, and this will take us to the other end of the lake or the reservoir here. So what they're doing is they're constructing a bridge. ಹೌದಾ? ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಡಿಹೈಡ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂತಾರೆ. ಗೋಲಿ ಸೋಡಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ ಬಿಸಿಲಿಗೆ ಡಿಹೈಡ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಹೌದಾ? Working on the ferry, starting now, kind of a new experience. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅರ್ಜು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಫೆರಿ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಬ್ರಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೆರಿ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ನೈಸ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಬೈಕರ್ ಲಾರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವಾಗ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಶೋರ್. ಈ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪಿಲ್ಲರು ಏನು ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಸಿ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ರೈಡರ್ ಜಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ. ನಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಯಾರು ಊಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನಿಜವಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಊಟ ಆಗಿ ಮಗನೇ ಏನು ತಿಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಸಿದೇ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ತಿಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಇಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಪ್ರಸಾದ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಗಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮೀನು ಊಟ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ. ಇವನಲ್ಲ, ಅವು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್. ಏನು
ಲಿಸರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಹಾ, ಇದು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ತಾಕ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಜ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಉಜ್ಜುಡ್ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ತಾಕಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ.
ತಾಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಇದಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕಾರ್ಪಿಯನ್, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಇದು ಟಚ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಟಚ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಳಯ ಅಂತ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುತ್ತಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಿಂದೂ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ರು.
ಹೌದೇನೋ? ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾ.
ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಏರಿಯಲ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲಾರೆನ್ಸ್, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಗನ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವರು ನೋಡಿ, ಗಣಪತಿ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ
ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಳಿದಂದ?
ಇದು 600 AD ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
600 AD.
ಅವಾಗ ಅವರು ಭಟ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಶಿವಪ್ಪ ನಾಯಕ ಅಂತ ಕೆಳದಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಲರ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು, ಅವನೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಾಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅವನು ಫೇಮಸ್ ರೂಲರು ಕೆಳದಿ ಶಿವಪ್ಪ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಬಾಯ್. It's 9:10 in the morning and we're heading towards Bangalore. We're done with all the sightseeing and stuff. It's time to head back home, meet our family, and hopefully we reach back safe and sound. We've done around 100 odd kilometers from a hotel, and we've stopped here at a place, I believe it's Bhadravati. So we're just having our breakfast, not too heavy. So we should be reaching Bangalore in by around 4:30, 4 or 4:30, or even earlier. Didn't know Tumkuru's road was so nice, and it's kind of looking green as well. Tumkur usually looks very dry and barren, but the road is very nice. This is on way to Sira. So from Sira we'll be taking the normal Chitradurga highway. But before this the road was pathetic, and from then on it's kind of good. Let's see if it continues like this.